Hello everyone, welcome to Always Something to Do. Today I have a new 72 inches Nineigh tripod stand. It's for small camera and phone stand. Just bought from Amazon. It came with nice little box a couple days ago. So I want to show you what's actually in a box and how it's actually going all together. Let's just open it. It's supposed to be a tripod with a selfie stick as well, which is very nice. So what we got inside? Alright. It's pretty much this nice carry bag, which is very handy. You can always store it away or even in a car. Gonna keep it all together. Alright. Still some things inside. Yeah, this looks like even waterproof bag, which is nice. Alright, put that away. What we got here is a obviously main body tripod stand and extra 4 package. Let's have a look just on the main tripod itself. Nice little, very handy thing. Came with instructions. Yeah, it's not big, that's good, just a 1 page. I got with me tape measure so I can show you. That's 71 inches when it's extend, but when it's like a not extend, it's got only 7.5 inch, which is not bad, like for tripod with a stick, selfie stick. Alright, so let's have a look on the manual instruction real quickly. So we got here a 1/4 inch screw, which is pretty much standard for most cameras and all devices. We got the flip blocks, which are those. They are plastics one. Aluminium tubes. Pretty much cool. Quite strong must be then and lightweight. What I like in that is also rubber pads on the bottom, the fits, which probably will be very helpful because they won't be slippery on the surface. That's quite cool. 180 neck rotation, which must be obviously that one. We'll look close on that in a minute. So let's have a look then. Right, that's what I said. That's a plasticky clips locks, 4 of them, which allowed us to actually extend the tripod itself. Let's put it down so we can see a bit more. Alright, so that's the main body of the tripod. It's quite wide. Let's have a look on the measurements. It's got 19 inches from leg to leg, which is really nice and stable, even on the windy condition or just if it's not quite a flat surface. That must be the screw for the selfie stick itself. Let's have a look then. Yeah, you have to unscrew it. Yeah, it came on part like that. So now we have just the selfie stick itself. There's one more thing here. Yeah, it's pretty long. I measured that for you a little bit off the camera. So the selfie stick itself have 62.5 inches, which is not bad. Not bad. Plus, when you attach the as a phone holder, so that'll give you extra few, maybe 2-3 inches. Not bad. So let's put that down. Yeah, very nice and easy to put it on together. It's aluminium, so it's very light as well. Yeah. What else about this stand? It's very light as well. What I like in that, you can use it in different corners. So I believe if you have small room, you allow. Let's do that off the camera. Let's do that. It's got a small room, and you need a very go to the corner. It's pretty much nice. You can put that in a very tight corner, and you can use your space maximum. Yeah, I like it already. All right, let's put the back together now. There we go, that's our stand just for the phone and little cameras. And what's in the back? So that must be the, yeah, that must be the phone holder. It's got also the nice little rubbery things here, so make sure your phone is not slip away and also is not scratched. That must be the, yeah, that must be that 180-degree neck itself with the 1/4-inch screw on the top and on the bottom. It's got also rubbery pad here. Alright, what we got in the next pack? I think it must be for your different devices, whatever you're using, lights or other stuff. I don't know yet about this much, but I will find out that for you. And last pack has got nice little remote to take a shots. It's looking at that. That must be on and off thing. Yeah, you got a flashing light when you on. Let's try again. Cool. Yep. It says, as must be instruction for it. Yep. It's working up to 10 meters from your tripod, so you can take a selfie 10 meters away, which is quite cool. All right, let's put that in together now. I believe that must be connect to that one. You can use both way. You can use on this way, or you can use on even on that way. Whatever is better, more useful for you. Got nice little, for the quick connection, little screw here, so you now have to move all thing around. So just nice thing inside. Let's put the phone in and have a look how's it working itself. I got some iPhone here, so I can use the iPhone size. Is I think is 15. So it's working. Okay, it's very strong holding in, so you don't have to worry about losing. Alright, let's put that on the tripod itself now. Just take it away for a moment. I will change the camera angle in a minute, so it's easier for you to have a look what's going on. Yeah, it's just there. Bear with me, I will change the setup so you can see actually how it's working. So you have nice little turn here, so you can take a shots like a different angle. It allows you to tilt your phone down. So that's a different angle view that tripod. We got phone on already. So like I said, we can use a different angle of the phone wherever you need it to make a photo or to make a video. You can also tilt it that way, so any angle you want, it's available. So you can tidy up the ball there so it stay like it is, stay like you want. You can turn over 390 degrees around, so depends what you need really. You can take a landscape shots or you can take a portrait shots. So yeah, quite cool. And then if you need it, you just use that's 1/4 inch of screw for your camera. I don't know, GoPro or whatever you have. It's pretty much standard. So yeah, nice. So let's put it back so we have a look in a minute and try put it on the floor. We extend that full size and we'll know exactly how tall it will be. So bear with me a second. So there is full length. I just did measure that of the camera. It's got exactly 72 inches to the top of the phone. So very cool. And you can have a look. And if even you push it, it's quite strong and steady. And I like that rubber foot which allowed you to, is not slippery around. So if you need it, you just put it down, just unclip it. There you go. Let's try have a look again on that setup, which whatever you want to use. You can tilt it down. You can take a shot of different direction, and also you could turn it that way, so around. So yeah, it's working as should be. Strong, steady, and it's really lightweight if you want to do like a selfie stick as well. So thank you very much for watching and see you soon.